morning, everyone! Good morning! Okay, may I request everyone that please lower down your voices, lalo na sa mga marites dyan. And I really hope, can you lend me your ears and look at in front, because what I'm going to share to you is about a Riway opportunity that everyone is so keen to listen. So, okay, may I see the hands of the first timers here? Okay. So basically, nakidnap po kayo dito para mag-dinner. So anyways, for those who don't know me, my name is Angelo Hambaro, a Diamond 2-star here in Riway International, sharing to you my personal experience, and of course, this is a leader sharing. I'm going to share to you what I have experienced here in Riway. Okay. So, first of all, I would like to thank my mother, Team Elite Pablo Hambaro, for inviting me here, and also to our Team Supreme Pegasus 1, Miss Loman Shen. Give her a applause, even though she's not here, taking care of her twins. And may I acknowledge to all the Team Elites and the Star Achievers here. Give yourselves a round of applause. Because despite that we have that ranking, we still listen to other people's sharings to know more ideas about doing Riway, so that we can use that for our future references. So to know more what is my personal experience here in Riway, hello? Yes! As I said, lend me your ears and listen to this sharing. So first of all, when Miss Loman Shen tell my mom to bring tao here in Riway office, it didn't mean what she means. So basically, she brought me here in Riway office. And when Shen said, ate, supposed to be client, not... I said, tao, right? Yes, tao. Here, I brought my son. Not that kind of tao. I said client la. Yeah. So, as you can see, yes, you can invite almost everyone here in Riway. So, with my personal experience, first of all, about the product, as you may see, I was diagnosed to have ADHD. So, nothing much to see here because, syempre, Riway, Pertier has given you a reverse aging and improve your body. So later at the OPP, you will listen to that. So before I joined Riway, I was from the hotel and restaurant industry, which is a waiter, barista, housekeeping. That is my profession, but I was only at vocational courses only. But most of it, here in this country, it is so sad to hear that many people are opted yet to become an employee or self-employed. But some of that 5% of Filipinos here are at business owners and also investors, as you can see here in this slide. So how did Riway change me? Because I was destined to be employed, but with this solution that Riway has given us, it has changed us to become an international business leader. So the journey begins here, just doing the presentation of Riway, the Pertier, learn only just one product. Only one product. Doing OPP, meeting clients, and also, how did it change me for the best? Because Riway can change you into who you are today. And to see all of that, ang kagandahan nito is Riway International has given you the opportunity to travel for free. So during the travel history that I got here in Riway is from 2017 up to this year. I have traveled from Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, Thailand, and also yung mahirap na cross-border no October 2025. And then in our recent event in Thailand is the gala dinner. So here in Riway, this is an MLM company or multi-level marketing or networking. But here in Riway is so unique rather than other companies. But here, as I said, Riway is the most unique company that you can ever heard of. Because it has a free membership, no maintenance fee, also no monthly sales target. Ang kagandahan nito, Riway people never sleep. Why? Because they have daily bonus payout. Because they will make puyat. Around 2 a.m., nandiyan na yung income. And also, lifetime membership. So here the difference between if you're doing a traditional business, kahit sari-sari store man yan, or big franchise like, for example, si Jollibee. Hindi yan sponsored, But anyways, here in the differences, you will do some investment, malaki po yan. And also, you will do the legal documentations, rental costs, sweldo, employee salary, also the bills of your electric, water, telecommunications. Also, you have to be full-time to do this a lot. Even be your own boss. Also, catering the area around you, as you can see. But if you do Riway business, it is so simple. Just purchase a product here in Riway. Also, it is an international business. And this facility is free. Nothing. Walang binabayad ang nagme-member dito. It's free. Also, online system, you can encode it anywhere in the world. Also, there is international and local documentations only. Also, you'll just give time like 2 to 5 hours of sharing this opportunity to people. That's it. You can spend time for your family because Riway values family. Also, we have free trainings quarterly like NDO, LTS, like Leadership Training Seminar. Also, income is forever. It is passive income. And I said, when you do traditional business, you cater the area around you. But in Riway business, you will cater the world. And also, those who are consumers will soon to be converted into business leaders as well. And it is a life-changing experience. So what are your benefits here in Riway? So, as you can see, you will purchase only per tier with a therapy of 7 bottles. Also, a complete business package for free. An international, we are still pioneering here in the market. An existing online business system for your clients. Also, conducive culture to help you to succeed quarterly for recognition and for your hard work. And also, passive income to your next generation. Who would love to have a passive income? Let me see a raise of hands. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, here in this training room, please, by all means, look at the bigger picture because there is more than a business here in Riway. Maybe it can also help your country's economy.
Yes.
Because as you look into a bigger picture, there are benefits of doing Riway in your country. So it really starts with you because it really starts for your health. Also, wealth will come second. Also, the economy and the charity. So what does this all mean? First of all, the health is having the therapy of tier 7 to boost your body immune system and turn your health to the best. Second is wealth, syempre, because if you're doing Riway business, it is really a pioneering system here in also not just in the Philippines but on the whole world. Because what I have known yet is we are not yet at the tip of the iceberg. Bonuses that every Riway branches, not just in the Philippines, but the entire world, more than 14 countries, we have these branches like those, even the headquarters like in Singapore, Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia, and in Indonesia. Charity, because Riway is not a company that always take. They also give back to the society because which is really good. During the pandemic, Riway International donated in each country that they have over 1 million Singaporean dollars, which is converted in Philippine peso is 35 million pesos. So all of this came from charity events and auctions for limited edition items in Riway. So what is crazy? Thank you, bro. Okay, so what is crazy? The boss also buys the item that he auctioned, which is crazy. So as I said, midst of the pandemic, Riway had donated 1 million Singaporean dollars to every country they encountered. So the economy is where boosting your country's economy, because here in Riway we have events, and those events are let's just say parang mandatory para sa atin, because we need to train on how to become a world-class business leader. So with the small explanation that I'm going to share to you, a personal experience that I have shown to you, all the biggest events in Riway history that I have been, and isa dyan, wala eh. Pero here we go. One of the first biggest training seminars in Riway history is the November 9, 2019, which is the leadership training seminar in Bangkok, Thailand. And this one is my first ever, syempre, narinig niyo nga po, chartered flight. We've been a chartered flight, 3 wide-body airplanes by Riway International going to Malaysia to be recognized at Bukit Jalil International Stadium with over 80,000 people inside the stadium. So, ang daming hindi maniniwala dyan. But you will see the video. And my favorite of all is the biggest gala dinner we have made in Riway, because in January 10, 2023, Riway had celebrated its 15th anniversary and made a gala dinner not just in a convention center, because it was so packed and full of tables. None of the more than 14 countries doesn't have an event place to that. Instead, Riway International have rented a plot of land just to accommodate 26,000 people, which is a lot. And according to the Straits Times, this is how much Riway spent for a gala dinner. 4.35 million for over 2,600 tables, 26,000 chairs, also 12-course meal, serving hot, and also fireworks display and celebrity guest performers. Lalo na dito din, meron din tayo dyan. Nandyan nga si Angeline Quinto. Sino pa? Si Regine! Oh! Gising! Okay, so di lang tayo magsaseryoso dito eh, para magising din eh. And also, as you can see, this is the land, ganyan kalaki ang nirent ni Riway. Just to make gala dinner. To accommodate anyone. So, where can you find a company that invested so much for us instead of taking the revenue by themselves? And also, Riway International is a one-of-a-kind company that has the culture and also the culture of generosity and also appreciation and integrity. And it has been proven more than now it is 18 years. So, ladies and gentlemen, all the first-timers here in this room, muntik ng Zoom room tuloy, oo. Don't keep this opportunity to yourselves. And let's not stop here. It has to be started now. Because, as I said here, leaders will share this opportunity and also do it for your country. And also, let us be a global business leader of Riway International today. And let us work, even though we only have one whole month or lagpas pa. Because upcoming April 1, we have the recognition night. So if you want to become just even a diamond 1-star and be recognized with a trophy pin and recognized on stage, this is your chance. And let us bring Riway to the world. So, with all of that, may I thank you. May I thank you for listening, and I hope we will share this kind of opportunity that is so rare. And I said, once again, thank you all for the listening. So give yourselves a round of applause, and thank you very much. I'll pass back the mic to our MC. Thank you. Thank you so much.